Good morning, my dear student in grade 5. Unit 1, lesson 2, comparing fraction. We know that before in this figure, we take 1, 2, 3 part, so we put 3 in numerator and the whole part 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we put 8 in the denominator. So we take 3 over 8. Another figure, we take 3 part from what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the denominator equals 5. We need to compare 3 over 8 and 3 over 5. We notice that 3 over 5, the part of 3 over 5 more than the part of 3 over 8. Here we need to compare both more than or less than or equals. 3 over 8 and 1. 3 over 8 and 1. We can change 1, become 8 over 8. Here we have the same denominator, so we can cancel it. 3 and 8, 3 less than 8. So 3 over 8 less than 1. We know that before any proper fraction less than 1. Any proper fraction less than 1. The next 3 over 8 and 0.5. We can convert it to fraction, become half. 3 over 8 and half. We can use the equal fraction to make 2 by 4, then multiply the numerator by 4. 1 by 4 equals 4. So we have 4 over 8 and 3 over 8, the same denominator, so cancel it. We have 3 and 4, so 3 less than 4. 3 over 8 less than 0.5. The next we have 5 over 8 and 3 over 8. Here we have the same denominator, so cancel it. 5 more than 3, so put more than. 3 over 5 and 3 over 8. Now we have the same numerator. So the greatest or the smallest denominator is the greatest fraction. Here 5 less than 8. So this fraction more than 3 over 8. Again, if we have the same numerator, the smallest denominator we have 5 less than 8. The smallest denominator give me the greatest fraction. Here we have 5 is smallest. So 3 over 5 more than 3 over 8. Three over 5 and half. We can make this fraction equal 1 multiplied by 3 and 2 multiplied by 3. 1 by 3 equals 3, 2 by 3 equals 6. Now we have the same numerator, so the smallest denominator give me the greatest fraction. So 5 less than 6, so 3 over 5 more than 3 over 6. That means 3 over 5 more than half. Now we have 3 over 5 and 6 over 10. We can make the denominator equals 10 by multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. 5 by 2 equals 10. 3 by 2 equals 6. Now we have 6 over 10 and 6 over 10, that means it's equal fraction. When the numerator is the same, in the opposite figure, the smallest, the greatest denominator give me the smallest fraction. When the denominator is the same in two fractions, the greatest numerator give me the greatest fraction. Example number 1, put more than or less than or equal. Here we have the same denominator, so cancel 13 for 13. We have 7 and 5. 7 more than 5. Here we have the same numerator, so we have 25 more than 13. That means the whole fraction less than the greatest denominator give me the smallest fraction. Here we have two mixed number, 7. We have 7 over 9 and 2 over 1, 2 and 1 over 9. We convert it from mixed to improper fraction. We put 9 first. 2 multiply 9 equals 18 plus 1 equals 19. So we have 7 over 9 and 19 over 9. Cancel 9 with 9. 7 less than 19. So 7 over 9 less than 2 and 1 over 9. We know that before any proper fraction less than any mixed number or improper fraction. Any proper fraction less than any mixed number or improper fraction. Exercise number 1. And page 11. Rearrange the following fraction ascendingly from the smallest to the greatest. From the smallest to the greatest. Here we have 7 over 18 and 5 over 18 and 1 over 18 and 25 over 18 and 13 over 18. We notice that we have the same denominator, so we compare the numerator. We have the smallest, we need ascending, so the smallest numerator 1, so 1 over 18 and cancel it, and 5 over 18 and cancel it, 7 over 18, then cancel it, and 13 over 18 and 25 over 18. Example number 2. Rearrange the following fraction descendingly from the greatest to the smallest. Thirteen over 7 and 5 over 7 and 9 over 7 and 4 over 7 and 11 over 7. We notice that again we have the same denominator, so when we need arranged descendingly. So we take the greatest numerator. The greatest numerator here 13. So 13 over 7 and 11. 11 over 7 and 9 over 7 and 5 over 7 and the last 4 over 7. So 13, 11, 9, 5, 4 from the greatest to the smallest. Exercise 3. Rearrange the following fraction. Exercise number 3. Find the possible value of x which justifies the following relation where x is integer. Here we have 4 over 7 less than x over 7 less than 8 over 7. Here we have 4 over 7 less than x over 7. So x more than 4 and x over 7 less than 8 over 7. So x less than 8. So between 4 and 8, x, the possible value x equal 5 or 6 or 7. All this value we can put 5 over 7 more than 4 over 7 and less than 8 over 7, and 6 over 7 more than 4 over 7 and less than 8 over 7, and 7 over 7 the same. Now comparing the fraction with different denominators. Here we have 3 over 4 and 2 over 3. What we will do? 3 over 4 and 2 over 3. First must be found the lowest common denominator. Must be make the same denominator. So 4 and 3. We take 4. 4 we can 4 not divisible by 3. So multiply 4 by 2. 4 by 2 equals 8. 8 not divisible by 3. So multiply 4 by 3 equals 12. 12 divisible by 3. So the lowest common denominator equals 12. Here 4 become 12. So we multiply by 3. Then we multiply the numerator by 3. 3 by 3 equals 9. Here 3 become 12, so we multiply by 4. So we multiply the numerator by 4. 2 by 4 equals 8. Now we have the same denominator, 12 and 12. So we compare between the numerator, 9 more than 8. Again, must be have the same denominator by multiply the greatest. We look at the greatest if the divisible by another fraction as a denominator, another denominator, we put it the lowest common denominator. If not, we multiply by 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. We can find the LCM and put it in denominator. We have another example. 3 over 5 and 4 over 7. We look at the greatest denominator, 7 not divisible by 5. So multiply 7 by 2 equals 14 less than not divisible, 14 not divisible by 5. So multiply by 3 equals 21 not divisible. Multiply by 4 equals 28 not divisible by 5. Multiply by 5, 35 divisible by 5. So put 35 in the denominator. Then 5 becomes 35 if we multiply it by 7. So 3 by 7 equals 21. 7 multiplied by 5 becomes 35. So we multiply 4 by 5. 4 by 5 equals 20. We have now the same denominator, so we compare between the numerator. 21 more than 20. Now we need to compare the fraction and compare fraction and decimal. Rearrange the following number ascendingly. We have 3 and half and 5 and 3.2 and 4 third and 4 2 over 7. We need range ascendingly, so from the smallest to the greatest. We look at first at the whole number. Here we have the whole number 3, 5, 3, 4 and 4. So the smallest 3 and half, we compare between 3 and half and 3.2. 3 and half we converted to decimal number, becomes 3.5 by multiply 2 by 5 and 1 by 5 equals 5 over 10, 3.5. 3.5 more than 3.2. So and ascendingly, the smallest number 3.2 and 3 and half, and cancel it. 4. Now we compare between 4 and third and 4 and 2 over 7. 4 the same 4, so we compare between third and 2 over 7. We can make a cross. We 3 multiply 2 equals 6 and 7 multiply 1. 3 multiply 2 equals 6 and 7 multiply 1 equals 7. So 1 over 3 more than 2 over 7. So the smallest 4 and 2 over 7, and the next 4 and 1 over 3. The last number, or the greatest number, 5. Now we arrange it ascending. So again we compare between the whole number. First we have 3 and 5 and 3 and 4 and 4. 3 and 3 is the smallest. Then we compare between 3 and half and 3.2. 3 and half equals 3.5. So we know that 3.2 less than 3.5. So this is the first in ascendingly and complete by the same. Another example, rearrange the following descending. So we have arrange 7 and 1 over 6 and 5.3 and 7 and 2 over 11 and 5, 4 over 7, last 6. Again, we need arrange descending. So we look at the whole number at first. Here we have in whole number 7, 5, 7, 5, 6. So the greatest is 7. So we compare between 7 and 1 over 6 and 7 and 2 over 11. We compare between 1 over 6 and 2 over 11. We can make a process. 6 multiply 2 equals 12 and 11 multiplies 1 equals 11. That means 1 over 6 less than 2 over 11. So the greatest 7 and 2 over 11. Then the greatest, cancel it, then put 7 and 1 over 6. Now we have 5 and 6 in whole number. We have 5 and 6, so put 6. The last step we compare between 5.3 and 5 and 4 over 7. We can 5.3 we can convert it to a mixed number, 5 and 3 over 10. So we compare between 3 over 10 and 4 over 7. 7 multiply 3 equals 21 and 10 multiply 4 equals 40. 21 less than 40, so 5.3 less than 5 and 4 over 7, so what 5 and 4 over 7, then 5.3.